Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the serpentine belt on your Infiniti G35. First, ensure your engine is off and cool for safety. Gather your new serpentine belt, a wrench, and a diagram of the belt routing. This simple task can save you money and keep your vehicle running smoothly. We'll guide you through each step, making it easy to understand and complete. Let's get started with preparing for the change. To release the tension, you'll need a 14mm socket and a breaker bar. Locate the main tensioner pulley. Attach your wrench to the tensioner bolt and rotate it counterclockwise to relieve the belt tension. You might need to loosen a 12mm tensioner bolt first. Once the tension is off, you can slide the old belt off the pulleys. Be sure to note the belt's routing before removal. Now it's time to install your new serpentine belt. Refer to your routing diagram and carefully guide the new belt around all the pulleys. Make sure the belt sits perfectly in each pulley's grooves. Once the belt is mostly in place, use your wrench to again rotate the tensioner, creating slack. This will allow you to slip the new belt onto the last pulley easily. Double-check all connections. With the new belt installed, slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply proper tension to the belt. Visually inspect the entire belt path to ensure it's perfectly aligned and seated on every pulley. Start your engine for a short moment and listen for any squealing or unusual sounds. If everything sounds good, you've successfully changed your Infiniti G35 serpentine belt. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.